Alright, I'd like to show you Cut Shelf from Automatic Duck. This is a workflow extension that acts like a global clip library, allowing you to drag projects and clips between different libraries on the same computer, as well as between different computers, and even collaborate with others. To give you an example of how I use this, back when I was doing my weekly training series vlogs, I had a 2-pop and open compound clip that I included with every one of my videos. And so to make this more easily accessible to new projects, I'm going to put this into Cut Shelf. So let's go ahead and find this compound clip here in the event, and then I'm going to go back and return to Cut Shelf, and I'll just drag this into a shelf. And this shelf is actually stored on iCloud Drive, so any of my systems are going to automatically update with this. And let's go ahead and put the close in there as well. So now I'll have my open and close on all my projects. Now I can use this locally, of course, so let's go to a new project that I'm working on and open up this timeline here. And I'll go ahead and drag the open into the event, which creates the compound clip in the same library. And I can now just drag that into my new project. It looks like the timing of that worked out perfectly. So if I close this, looks like the open will work here. Go. Okay, and then there's me. Perfect. And we can do the same thing with the close if we want to do that. So if we go back here, bring the close in, now that we can add the close to the end of this particular timeline. Okay, now that's, of course, this does also assume the media is going to be all accessible. That's also important if you want to use on another computer. So here I have a different computer that also is running Cut Shelf. And when I open Cut Shelf up, it shows the same 2 clips that I just added on my other system. So now I can drag these into Final Cut, and the same import happens. And because this system has access to the same media files, this all comes online without any problem. And when you open up the app version of Cut Shelf, when you create a new shelf, you can actually choose where it's going to live, and that can be any shared storage. You can save a shelf to Dropbox or shared storage on your local network attached storage, and then other collaborators can join that shelf from their app, and then that way you guys can collaborate in the same way. So it uses Final Cut XML to get the information in and out of Final Cut, and you need to have the media available on all systems, but otherwise this is a fantastic way to share information between all of your libraries.